Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Is it easy to replace a toilet? Imagine you're a handy homeowner, ready to roll up your sleeves and tackle any home improvement project. One day, you notice that your toilet is constantly running, leaking, or just past its prime, and it's time for an upgrade. The question arises, is it easy to replace a toilet? Plumbing can seem like an intimidating realm of expertise reserved only for professionals. Replacing a toilet can be more complex than it may appear. Whether you're considering this task due to necessity or simply because you want to give your bathroom a fresh look, we have practical advice and professional guidance. So let's dive right in. Can you just replace a toilet? Absolutely, you can replace your toilet yourself, but seeking help from a professional remodeler or plumber would be the best approach. They possess the necessary knowledge and expertise in installing toilets, which can help you minimize costs and avoid potential mistakes during a DIY installation. The first step is to consider the type of toilet you want as a replacement. Various options are available, ranging from traditional two-piece models to modern one-piece designs with integrated bidets and other advanced features. Before starting the project, it's essential to determine the cost estimation to avoid any surprises regarding the bill. Having a clear financial plan will help you stay on track. In essence, replacing a toilet is a feasible task if you approach it thoughtfully, but involving a professional plumber or remodeler will ensure a smoother and more efficient installation process. Their expertise and knowledge will help you achieve the desired results while minimizing potential issues and costs. What are the reasons to replace a toilet? While your old porcelain throne may hold sentimental value, there are several reasons to replace it. Outdated design. If your current toilet has an old-fashioned design with faded colors or scratches, it can detract from the overall appeal of your bathroom. Constant repairs. Frequent repairs to your toilet may indicate that it's reaching the end of its lifespan and needs replacement. Investing in a new one can save you money on ongoing repairs. Plumbing issues. If you experience frequent clogs or leaks, it could be a sign that your current toilet is malfunctioning. Replacing it with a modern system can improve plumbing conditions in your home. Cost savings. While the upfront cost of a new toilet may seem significant, the long-term savings from reduced water usage and fewer repairs can make it a financially sensible choice. Eco-friendliness. Newer toilets often incorporate advanced technologies like dual flush options, which contribute positively to environmental conservation efforts by using less water when appropriate. Improved aesthetics. A new toilet with a modern design can enhance the overall look and feel of your bathroom, creating a more pleasant and updated space. Enhanced efficiency. Upgrading to a newer model can increase water usage and flushing performance efficiency, providing a more reliable and effective flushing experience. Better hygiene. Some older toilets may have worn-out components that can compromise hygiene. Replacing your toilet ensures a clean and sanitary bathroom environment. Upgrading to a newer model can significantly affect cost savings and eco-friendliness. So while it might be tempting to hang on to that vintage throne out of nostalgia or fear of change, remember that investing in a new toilet can lead to increased efficiency, improved aesthetics, and better plumbing conditions within your home. How long does it take to replace a new toilet? Don't worry, you won't be left without your bathroom throne for too long. A professional can typically install a new loo in just 2 to 4 hours, giving you the comfort and efficiency you deserve in no time at all. This period includes the time it takes to remove the old toilet, prepare the area for the new one, and complete the installation process. The duration can vary based on factors such as toilet dimensions and whether unexpected challenges arise during installation. For instance, If your new toilet has different dimensions than your old one, or there are issues with your plumbing system that need addressing before installation can proceed. While replacing a toilet is not overly complex, it requires specific installation tools like a wrench and plunger. You'll also need to consider budget planning, as costs might vary depending on whether you're going for flushing efficiency or water conservation features in your new unit. Remember, flushing efficiency. Toilets with high-efficiency flush systems will cost more upfront but save you money over time by reducing water usage. These toilets are ideal for those who wish to serve their community by conserving water. Water conservation. Opting for a dual flush toilet allows users to choose between different flush volumes, further enhancing water conservation. This feature is perfect for people looking out for their needs and caring about our planet's well-being. Can you replace a toilet without replacing the floor? Imagine this: you're considering upgrading your bathroom throne but concerned about the state of your floor. Well, fret not, because it's possible to install a new water closet without tearing up and redoing the entire flooring. While there might be some installation difficulties, you can prevent floor damage during toilet replacement with the right approach and necessary tools. One key tool is a wax ring, which helps seal the connection between the toilet base and the sewer pipe, preventing potential leaks that could cause significant harm to your floor. Before you replace your old toilet, inspecting for underlying plumbing issues that may compromise your new installation down the line is crucial. Observe any signs of toilet base leaking, as this could indicate more severe complications like rotted subflooring or broken flange, requiring attention before new toilet placement. What's the best way to replace a toilet? When replacing a toilet, you might be torn between doing it yourself and hiring a professional. Both options have their own merits. DIY can save you money if you're comfortable with the task, but hiring a professional ensures that the job is done first and saves you from potential mishaps. There are several factors to consider when hiring a professional. Consider their credentials, experience, and cost of services to ensure optimal results. DIY versus hiring a professional. You might be contemplating whether to tackle toilet replacement as a DIY project or hire a professional, and weighing the pros and cons of each option is important. On the one hand, doing it yourself could save you some money on labor costs, but it also comes with challenges. Some of those challenges include having the necessary tools for the job, understanding how to properly remove the old toilet and install the new one without causing any damage or leaks, and finding time in your schedule to complete this task. Here's a quick comparison table to help illustrate these points. DIY. Professional. Cost. Only materials needed, potential savings on labor. Costs can include consultation fees, labor charges, and possibly material markups. Time. Can take longer due to the learning curve, must find free time in your schedule. Professionals have an experience that allows them to work faster, no need for you to allocate personal time. Skill and tools required. Requires basic plumbing skills, must have or acquire necessary tools. Professionals are skilled and equipped with all necessary tools. Considerations when hiring a professional. Having weighed the pros and cons of DIY and hiring a professional, you might be leaning towards the other. That's perfectly fine. After all, engaging a professional can save you time and the headaches that come with potential mistakes. Before you pick up your phone to call the first plumber on your contact list, certain factors should guide your decision. Check qualifications and expertise, proper certifications and knowledge of bathroom plumbing. Request a detailed upfront quote for cost estimation. Inquire about warranty and guarantees for their workmanship. Remember, serving others not only means doing good but also making informed decisions when seeking help themselves. How often should a toilet be replaced? Ironically, it's not your decision when to replace the toilet decides for you. The lifespan of a toilet can vary greatly depending on its use and maintenance frequency. Generally, a well-maintained toilet can last between 20 to 50 years. But frequent issues such as constant clogs, cracks, or leaks might indicate that your throne needs replacing sooner rather than later. Here are some factors to consider. Toilet lifespan. Remember that while toilets can last several decades with proper care, they're not meant to be permanent fixtures. Regular checkups and maintenance will extend their life expectancy. Maintenance frequency. A neglected toilet will likely need early replacement. Regular cleaning and upkeep go a long way in ensuring your unit lasts as long as possible. Replacement costs. Replacing a toilet isn't just about buying a new one. There could also be costs associated with removing the old one and installing the new model. Environmental impact. Older models consume more water per flush, negatively affecting our environment. When considering replacement, look into high-efficiency models designed for water conservation. High-efficiency models. They may have higher upfront costs but pay off in the long run by reducing water usage and utility bills. To sum up, don't let your bathroom become a source of stress. Instead, transform it into a sanctuary of efficiency and elegance. From the humble porcelain throne to your plumbing system, Phoenix Home Remodeling is here to help you make informed decisions, saving you time and money in the long run. Consult with Phoenix Home Remodeling today and let us steer you towards an efficient, cost-effective, and eco-friendly bathroom upgrade. Remember, a well-planned home remodeling project not only improves your quality of life but also increases the value of your home. FAQs: Toilet replacement. What tools are necessary for replacing a toilet? Juxtapose toilet measurements and flange fixing. It's a dance of precision. Essential tools include a wrench for wax ring installation, a level for toilet leveling, and a screwdriver for tank placement. You're equipped to serve in bathroom emergencies. Do I need a plumber to replace the toilet, or can I do it myself? While you can tackle toilet replacement yourself, consider DIY challenges like ensuring correct toilet dimensions. Disposal methods, time commitment, and safety precautions are also factors. If unsure, hiring a plumber might be best for you. How much does it cost to replace a toilet? Did you know toilet replacement costs range from $200 to $750? This includes the installation timeline, plumbing, disposal methods, and electrical if needed. Are there different types of toilets to consider when replacing? Absolutely. When replacing a toilet, consider aesthetics, space limitations, water-saving options, comfort preferences, and longevity. Aesthetics depend on your style. Compact designs suit small spaces, high-efficiency toilets save water, and elongated models boost comfort. What are the environmental implications of replacing a toilet? Replacing your toilet has significant environmental implications. Consider eco-friendly options that offer water conservation benefits, reducing your carbon footprint. Also, understand waste disposal implications and explore toilet recycling possibilities for a greener choice. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.